Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
Oh, suckers.
Why are they suckers?
This is Bumbling Tourist.
Coming to you from Nagano.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Check out some Japan vlog action. All up in your face.
right now.
Yeah. Boom.
Peace out, Nico.
Nagano. Like, it's minus 10 at night. It's a perfect time for ice cream.
Nagano.
Oh my god.
Sugoi.
On the last Shinkansen to Nagano, it took 3 different trains with a JR Nikko line to, I can't remember it, starts with a U.
Nothing to it.
It's really handy. But all you have to do is show up with your pass at the JR ticket station, and they do it all for you. What you doing? Are you excited to explore?
Yeah. I am.
We're waiting for our Airbnb, but we're sitting in a park, being all sketchy style and drinking our leftover beverages.
Teenager style.
Teenager style, yeah.
Loitering.
But you got a craft beer at the last train station we were at, right?
Mm-hmm.
What does it say?
It says Japan Premium Craft Beer Ale.
You gonna try it and tell us if it's good?
It's made from Japanese barley and groundwater from Mount Hakusan.
Ooh.
Yeah. Tastes like a beer.
Just like a regular beer. And I got some red.
I got some clear. Asashi quality.
Let me take you on a tour. Yeah, there's a Jives. And if you go over here, there's a little like dining area. And a kitchen area. And a bathroom. And a washing machine and dryer. And this is where the shower is. But the cool part is definitely upstairs. Jive's gonna have some issues, but neat little bathroom. And then if you go upstairs, and you watch your head, and there's like a little common space. And there's a little tatami CD place. And then there's like the places where you practice your jujitsu or something. And then there's Gabby dragging her futon. This is really awesome.
It's amazing.
I love these doors.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
I don't think they'll do anything to block out your toot sounds though. Yeah, you gotta keep it warm. Yeah, amazing. I love how there's so many screens, even like the door over here. And then there's no Gabby, or she can put on like stage performances for us. Anyway, I guess we should go explore stuff.
Look at all the books.
That's where we're gonna sit and have all the like picnics, right?
Delicious picnics. It's fun.